swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to yet another new vlog today. Today's special is I'm gonna prepare South Indian breakfast. So, before that, when I was young, often I used to stand next to my mom in the kitchen watching her making uttapams for me. That too in alternative days because those are my favorites. Kitchens are a strange where not just food but skill, traditions, and even patience is put to test us. They are a place where cultures intermingle as a mother try and create a healthy Indian dishes. So today I'm preparing country chicken curry with idli. So here I just added country chicken of 1 kg and 2 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoon of oil, giving a nice mix to it, and just added a bit of water and closed the lid, waiting for 2-3 whistles to come. Meanwhile, I'm just preparing the masala for the chicken gravy. So just added 1 big size onion and 1 knob of garlic, 3 inch of ginger and 2 tomatoes I'm gonna add for the same jar.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you.
Last but not the least, I'm gonna add the coconut to the same jar. I'm gonna make a fine paste of that. And here it's ready. Now let's make a fine paste. And now the pan is ready. I'm gonna add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil heat up, just added 2 sticks of cinnamon, few cloves and 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of sajira, and just added a mixie jar paste and mixing well. Now until the oil floats, we need to wait. Chicken is cooked after 3 whistles. Once it got cooled and I just opened the lid, and now just separating few chicken pieces in a bowl, and remaining half I've just kept in the pressure cooker itself. The masala which we were frying, I'm just adding to the pressure cooker, gonna give a nice mix to it and checking the salt as well as spiciness. If we want, we can add up here. So chicken gravy is almost ready. Here the idli molds are ready, so I'm just greasing the oil for that, and I'm gonna pour the batter over here. And now this I'm gonna steam it, and our breakfast is gonna get ready.
But you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight.
So after 12 to 15 minutes, our idlis are ready. Now I'm gonna serve to my plate and gonna enjoy my breakfast. Guys, you also give it a try and enjoy your breakfast.
But you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you.
A few moments later.
So after having such a heavy breakfast, I feel like having a nap. So here I'm just started preparing chicken pakoda. It's a great recipe, crispy, tasty guys. Give it a try. Just added 2 tablespoon of rice flour, 2 tablespoon of besan flour and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of salt I just added, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. So 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves finely chopped and 1 tablespoon of curry leaves finely chopped. Gonna add 2 tablespoon of oil. Gonna give a nice massage to this chicken. Guys who really love the lemon flavor, please squeeze 1 lemon, then it'll be more tasty. This is country chicken. Directly you can't do chicken pakoda. So what I did morning, what I prepared the gravy of country chicken, same pressure cooker. I just removed 50% of it. You have seen, right? So that chicken only I'm just preparing the chicken pakoda. So chicken is almost cooked. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna deep fry it. Give a nice massage guys, and if you feel the salt is less, please add it now itself and give a nice mix to it. Just rest this for at least 2 hours, then your chicken pakoda will really taste like a heaven. So here I just started preparing after 2 hours. Now can you see guys, once the oil is heated up, just drop it to the oil.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in.
Try to fry the chicken at least for 2 to 3 minutes, and here is your chicken pakoda. It's ready.
Wanna forget you, let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight.
Here the chicken pakoda is ready. Very tasty, easy and crispy chicken is in front of you. Guys, give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you really felt about the chicken pakoda recipe.
I wanna forget you, but you pull me in.
Wow, it's very hot now, and I'm gonna have now with my cup of coffee. And meanwhile I just been out and saw this.
But you pull me in.
It was around 7 o'clock. For the same place it was lightning for 1 hour, and I felt it is something amazing. Please watch it and enjoy guys.
But you pull me in.
That's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home.
Ice cold, swimming against.
Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.